Hey guys, trust you're well. Today we're going to be discussing a super hot topic of artificial intelligence and the potential for artificial intelligence to replace the role of a business analyst. I've been asked this question so many times, and I thought I'll make this video just to talk about it. So by now, I believe most people would have heard about ChatGPT, the viral chatbot launched by OpenAI that has the unbelievable ability to interact in conversational dialogue form and provide responses that appear surprisingly human. Now, shockingly, ChatGPT acquired an unbelievable 1 million users within the first 5 days of operation. Just for comparison and to put things in a bit of context, it took Twitter nearly 24 months to reach 1 million users, and it took Facebook 10 months to get to 1 million users. And for Instagram, it took Instagram 2.5 months to reach 1 million users. Now, as AI continues to advance and make its way into various industries, many people are wondering if it will eventually take over the jobs of human professionals. In this video, we'll explore the capabilities of AI and how it's already being used in the field of business analysis and what the future may hold for business analysts as AI becomes more prevalent. My name is Stephen Adindu, and I'm the lead coach at the Career Accelerators, where we help non-tech professionals to transition into tech roles and secure six-figure salaries. So first things first, let's talk about what a business analyst does. So essentially, the role of a business analyst is to analyze the operations of a business and identify opportunities for improvement. They use data and analysis to inform decision-making and strategy, and often work with stakeholders to develop and implement solutions. Now let's consider the capabilities of artificial intelligence, or AI. It's no secret that AI has the ability to process unbelievably large amounts of data quickly and accurately. And it's continually improving in its ability to understand and analyze data. In the field of business analysis, this means that AI could potentially be used to automate some of the more tedious and time-consuming tasks, such as data collection and analysis. But does this mean that AI will completely replace the role of a business analyst? Not necessarily. While AI may be able to handle some of the technical aspects of the job, there are still many tasks that require human judgment and decision making. Business analysts are responsible for interpreting data and making recommendations based on that data, which requires critical thinking and the ability to communicate effectively with stakeholders. Imagine a difficult stakeholder having a moment, and then the AI-powered robot says something like, "I understand how you feel and would feel the same way if I was in your shoes." That will probably be that human's cue to turn off the machine or turn off the computer and look for a human that truly has emotions and understands how they actually feel. In fact, many experts believe that AI and human business analysts will work together in the future, with AI handling some of the more routine tasks and the humans focusing on higher level tasks that require more creativity and judgment. This collaboration could lead to an even more efficient and effective decision making, as both AI and human bring unique strengths to the table. So in conclusion, it's clear that AI has the potential to significantly impact the role of a business analyst. Whilst it may automate some tasks, it's unlikely to completely replace the need for human judgment and decision making. Instead, we may see a shift towards a more collaborative approach with AI and humans working together to drive business success. Thank you for watching. We hope you found this video informative and insightful. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share with your friends and family that will benefit from this information. And if you're watching on YouTube, please feel free to subscribe to our channel. We do hope to see you again on our next video. Take care and see you soon. Bye-bye.